Hello grade 12s and welcome to another computer applications technology lesson. Right now we're going to start on the basics of spreadsheets. Here we go. So the important information that you need to know is that a function is a preset formula in a spreadsheet that performs a specific calculation. Right? So functions are built into the computer. A formula is a user-defined calculation that uses mathematical operators and sometimes parentheses combined with numerical data. So I want you to know that formulas are user-defined. Okay. So the functions that you need to already be familiar with are the sum function, which adds all the numbers that you specify as arguments, or it adds all the numbers in a specific cell range. The average, which returns the average or arithmetic mean of its arguments. So it calculates the average of values. Mean, which returns the smallest number in a set of values. Max, which finds the largest value in a set of values. Count, which counts the number of cells that contain numerical data. Today, which returns the current date as set on the computer. Mode, which calculates the most frequently occurring value in a set of values. Median, which returns the number in the middle of the given numbers when they are arranged in ascending order. Small, which returns the kth smallest value in a data set. Large, which returns the kth largest value in a data set. Count if, which counts the number of cells within a range that meet a single criterion that you specify. Counter, which counts the number of cells that contain text. The text can be names or numerical data. So counter, as long as it's not empty, it will count it. Count blank, which counts the number of empty cells in a specified cell range. Sum if, which adds the values in a cell range that meet a single criterion that you specify. Round, which rounds off a number to a specified number of digits. Then you have the power function, which returns the result of a number raised to a power. If, it returns one value if the condition you specify evaluates to true, and another if that condition evaluates to false. Rand, so this one, it gives a random real number greater than or equal to 0 but less than 1. Standard deviation, so this is a statistical function, right? It estimates the standard deviation based on a sample. Then you have string functions, the left function which returns the first characters in a text string based on the number of characters you specify. The right function which returns the last character or characters in a text string based on the number of characters you specify. The mid function which returns a specific number of characters from a text string starting at the position you specify based on the number of characters you specify. Then you have the concatenate function which joins several text items into one text. Len, so len calculates the number of characters in a text string. So for example, my name, Tshegofatso, if you were to say is equal to len Tshegofatso, it would give 11. Value converts a text string that represents a number into a number. Find, so the find function finds one text value within another and is case sensitive. Lookup functions, you have the general lookup, Then you have VLOOKUP, which is vertical lookup. It is used in columns. Then you have HLOOKUP, which is horizontal lookup. It is used in rows. We will do these ones in greater detail when we do lookup functions. Please take this down. I modified it from siavula.com. So number 1 states, name the function that performs each of the following functions. Then 1.1 states, extracts and returns the leftmost characters from a text string. So when it extracts left, it's the left function, right? 1.2 states, extracts and returns the rightmost characters from a text string. Rightmost characters, it's the right function. Okay. 1.3 states, extracts a substring from a text string starting at a specified position. So if there's a specific starting position, we know it's the mid. Okay. 1.4, joins or combines the contents of different cells, that is concatenate. Okay. 1.5, returns the number of characters in a cell. The one which returns the number of characters in a cell is the len function. Remember, it calculates the length of written text. Okay. 1.6, returns the location of a text string from a specified cell. Location, please remember, it is the find function. 1.7, calculate the total of a range of numbers. Total, that's the sum function. 1.8, calculates the average or arithmetic mean of the numbers in a specified cell range. Already the answer is there, so it's the average function. 1.9, finds the smallest value in a specified cell range. Smallest value, it's the mean. Finds the highest value in a specified cell range. High value, don't forget, that's max. 1.11, find the total number of cells that contain a numerical value in a specified cell range. Please know that is the count function. 1.12 states returns the current date as set on the computer, so that is the today function. 1.13, returns the value that occurs most often in the specified cell range. Most often is mode. You may have heard this in maths, but the song says mode is most, average is mean, median, always in between. Okay. 1.14, returns the middle value of the values in the specified cell range. Don't forget median, always in between. So it's median. 1.15, finds the smallest specified number in a cell range. Remember, finds the smallest kth value in a set of values. What value is that? That is oh my. Okay, finds the smallest specified number in a cell range. That is small. Actually, smallest is mean actually. 1.16, finds the highest specified number in a cell range. That's max. So here I made a mistake. Find the smallest value in a specified cell range. Oh no, no mistake. It's just the wording. 1.17, finds how often specific criteria are met in a cell range. That is count if. (1.18) finds the number of cells that contain text in a specified cell range. When you're focusing on any form of text, it is counter. 1.19 finds the number of blank cells in a specified cell range. So when you have blank cells, it's count blank. (1.20) adds the total figures in a cell range if they meet specified criteria. Adding and if, so that's sum if. 1.21 rounds figures off to a specified number of decimal places. That is the round function. So as you can see, it's from 1.21 to 1.23. So this should be 2, my mistake. So 1.22 finds the result of a number raised to a specific power. That is the power function. Two should be 3 here. Tests if a specified criterion has been met and provides one of two actions based on the result. That is the if function. Number 2 states, what do we call a preset formula in a spreadsheet that performs a specific calculation? Preset, it is called a function. Okay. Please note, yes, there are a little bit of discrepancies that I've noticed between the min max function as well as the small large function. Okay, please note that I will verify them, like I will verify their use in the next lesson. Okay, and in the next lesson we will also be focusing on the error indicators. So the hash as well as the div hashtag div/0, hashtag ref exclamation mark, yeah, what happens when they appear and how to solve them. Okay, if you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.